beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making some okra soup today, guys. Without much ado, let's dive directly into the introduction of the ingredients. So I'm going to be making this okra soup with a lot of obstacles or assorted meat. I have some cow leg, goat meat, cow skin, and some cow meat. And I have some salt, crayfish, vegetable bouillon or Maggi cubes, palm oil, smoked fish, some okra already cut. I have some ground ginger, chopped onion, both white and red, one medium size each, ground garlic, approximately 5 cloves of ground garlic, 2 large red bell peppers, slightly ground, and 1 habanero pepper. So I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients again from above. So guys, let's commence with the preparation. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, will be to boil all my assorted meat till tender. I'll start with the cow skin, cow leg, goat meat, followed by my cow meat or the red part of the meat, and then my fish, and then I'll see you later. So I'm going to put a little bit of onion and some salt. Add water and boil till tender. Cover this up and boil till tender. So guys, all our assorted meats and fish have been well boiled and everything is ready. So we're going to take this off and proceed as follows. Place a pot on the stove. Add a little bit of palm oil. Wait until your palm oil gets heated up. Fry your onion. Stir. Add your ground red bell peppers and fry. We're going to add our ginger and garlic. So this is our garlic and this is our ginger. Mix everything up. So at this point, I'm going to bring in my assorted meat and broth. So I'm just going to pour everything inside. Mix. I'm going to add a little bit of salt again. And Maggi. Mix and taste to make sure that your Maggi and salt are balanced. Add your crayfish. And your habanero pepper. Mix everything up. You can also grind your habanero pepper alongside the bell pepper. Cover this up and let this boil for approximately 5 minutes. So we've been boiling everything for approximately 5 minutes. But let's open and check. So the last thing we're going to bring in will be our okra. Mix. actually like a lot of oil in their okra. We're going to cover this up and let it boil for 2 minutes, guys. I mean 2 minutes. Don't boil for more than 2 minutes because you want to maintain the green coloration of your okra, and adding to that, you want to maintain the nutrients in it. So guys, it's been 2 minutes. So guys, our okra is ready. Serve and enjoy.